Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our first class of the 2021-2022 school year. This is video is for September 6th, the first week of September. This week we will be working on a kit collection cards that I've decided to show you guys. We will be doing these once a month. Otherwise, this month's stamp set is Wildcats. I will show you guys what the stamp set looks like, and we will be doing some projects with that later this month. So once again, welcome to the first class of the year, and I look forward to crafting with you guys this year. I will flip the camera around and I will show you exactly how to get started. So here's the Wildcat stamp set that we will be using this month, but today we won't be using it as we are making these 3 cards. So this kit collection is called Petal Note Card Kit, and it has 3 different cards in it. So in each of your kits, you guys should have got something labeled with week 1. That is what we are going to be working on. In there, you should have 3 envelopes, a little bit of glue dots, some sequins, which should come in a little strip. They're already adhesive backed for you guys, like this. You should have some blue flowers, some gold swirly things, some leaves, some more flowers. You should also have a bunch of different sentiments, and these are in 3 different languages, so you can pick whichever one. I'm going to pop out the English ones, which are thinking of you, congratulations, and thank you. Those are the ones I'm going to pop out. And then I'm just going to put these to the side. You guys could use them. And then you should have 3 different card bases. We are going to start with this cool card base here with the little triangles. And all you do is fold it like so. And this one, you are going to need your swirly, gold swirly. So these are stickers. See? And all you have to do with this is just put it anywhere on the card. Take a blue flower. You can stick it up here. You can take some of your brown flower, your orange flowers, and stick it down here. Then you can put whichever sentiment. I'm going to put thank you. And you guys can use your tear tape or your dimensionals, which are these little poofy looking pillow things, and you can put them on. And these ones are really simple and fun to put together. And these kits do come with 9 cards in them. So there's the first card. And then our second card, we are going to take this one that has the little blue spots. And what you do is just fold your card again. And we're going to take our big orange flower. And we're going to place it wherever you feel like on here. I'm going to place it in the center. And then I've got some different leaves than you guys. So I'm going to take, and I'm going to actually put my leaves on here in a different way. So you just put them anywhere you want. And then on this one, same thing. You can put your little pillows on. And pop this thank you anywhere on the card. And you could take some of these embellishments. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. Mine don't have adhesive back where your guys's do. So that's why we have this little, they're called glue dots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this onto my paper already. And then I'm going to pull the backing off. So it is a little tiny piece of glue. And then I'm going to stick my little sequences like so on it. So you just added a little bit to it. And our last card, this one is one of my favorites. We're going to take, and this one, we're just going to actually just add the thank you to it. So once again, I'm going to pop it up because I like to have a little bit of dimension with the cards I make. I'm going to pop this one up. I'm going to put it in the center. And then I'm going to take some of my dots and I'm going to put some sequins all over the place. So I just like to use these to know where I'm putting them. And you just take the backing off and you take your little sequences, except for your guys's are all have adhesive on them, so you can just take your different ones and pop them off and put them wherever you want. And you guys will notice you'll have a little bit of extra stickers for the flowers. If you want to add more flowers to your cards, like this one here, I'm going to add a blue flower off to the side. I might add an orange flower here. And this one, I'm going to add another blue flower down here. And here, there you go. Oh, I have an extra leaf. I'm going to add a leaf. I'll add another leaf here off to the side. And I'm going to add this one here. So there you go. Here's your first 3 cards. Quick and simple and easy to make. So now that I've shown you our first week's project, I'm going to show you what we're making next week. So next week, we will be making this cute little box. You guys will be turning it into a little purse. The video for next week will be uploaded on Sunday onto YouTube and will be in the private Facebook group on Monday at 1 o'clock.